get my life better. Got to get my life together. Tom Thomas on a special report. I just found the daughter of Uncle Bon, and we're going to try to see if she's going to answer a few questions for me. Girl, why didn't you ride with your dad today?
See your grandbaby some money.
I ain't saying she a gold digger, but you know.
Send your grandbaby some money.
Her car broke. My car decent. So that's what happens sometimes.
No, I'm gonna go to my mama. Come on, mama, get your grandbaby.
Shut up, nigga, light again.
Oh my God.
Shut up. Yeah, I don't know. I think her switch broke or something. I don't know. No idea. I don't care. I don't. I should, but I don't. I was not put into the decision making of that purchase in that car. Because there were like 3 or 4 different cars I picked before that car, but I'm not going to be a hater. Did she say let me on?
Smoking it out in here.
Shut the was down. Shut the you a hater.
You gotta give my goddamn $20.
Shut up. Fuck that $20. Fuck that $20.
I'm jumping your ass. Hey baby, here go Granny. She gotta tell you something real quick. Huh? Your mama got $20 for you. She said she's gonna bring you some food back with her. Right.
She said if you don't bring, my mama don't bring your money back, food back with her, she gonna slap her. All right.
All right, bye.
Okay, look, I'm not, usually I like cuss a lot. I'm not gonna cuss a lot because I'm too excited, okay? My boy, you know, JR Auto Detailing, he been telling me, man, just get over there to that shop. And I'm like, okay, but where is it? It's in Torrance. Tried to find it a few times, got lost. So then I finally turned on my GPS and I found it. I watched his videos. I've been subscribed since maybe 2012, 2014.
Yeah.
And I saw you used to do all you did was do the startups.
Start up the motors.
And then you describe it. Yeah. Yeah, that's like, I'm like excited right now. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Thanks for
Man, I'm so excited right now. So this is Powerhouse. You don't know who I'll put the link in the description. Okay, so you know, I've been talking to y'all. I've been wanting to do power, you know, put some motor in it. I probably can't afford they work, but this will give me I guess it helped me figure out where I want to go.
Some ideas. Yeah, you're more than welcome.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, nice visiting you, man. I appreciate you coming in. That's cool.
Man, I'm beyond excited.
Yeah, come on in.
Like they got everything, like parts. And this is all performance parts. Look at this, sumps. Root 10s, straight cuts. Oh yeah, look, all the goodies. And I think they do online orders and all that stuff too, so they ship it to wherever you are in the world.
We do a little bit of parts online stuff right now. We don't really have a counter guy right now. We're short on staff, but we do the internet parts and stuff. So.
Okay, so you do it on the internet. Oh,
yeah,
that's smart.
Basically internet, and then if we're around, we can help you the best we can. You know, on the phones. Usually, if we don't answer, just leave a message. We'll call you back.
Okay.
Cool? Yeah.
Oh, this is the world famous. Oh, shoot! Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. You know I usually use a cuss word right there, but look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Just motors galore. Yeah, turbos.
This one's going out. This one's going out today. I think we got to box this one up. Going out today, and then we got one over here in the long block that's going to go out. So.
Ooh, see, shipping monsters worldwide.
A few more ready. We're laying out for the next few.
Aluminum cases.
Yeah.
Ooh, sheesh. Ooh, big board too. Okay, that's just a little smaller right here. It's probably what I'm gonna do my guess. 1776.
This one is gonna be 19. This one's gonna be 19. So
19?
Yeah. It's a stop. It hasn't been opened yet.
It hasn't been opened.
Okay,
Okay,
so it's basically like a 1600 case, and then we open for a 90.5.
Oh, 90.5. Okay.
Or excuse me, you said 17, so that'd be 94. So
94.
1914.
1914.
Yeah.
That's a big crank too.
So this is
Oh,
going to be
so
a counterweighted 69,
Mm-hmm.
and then we'll go 94 cylinder on this one, and then this one's going to be a stroker motor 2332.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, those are the big boys I've been seeing when I see the dudes cruising.
Yeah.
I don't got even. I got a 16, but I don't have like. It's not freeway worthy. It's like
Tall gear transmission or no?
Yeah, I did the freeway fly.
So you can cruise on the.
It said I could cruise on the freeway, but when I
the RPMs are up a little bit.
yeah,
high.
it's a little too. I don't like it. I don't like them humming that loud.
That's one of the biggest killers of the Volkswagen motor is keeping the RPM
Up too high,
for a
yeah.
long period of
There's a
time.
time, yeah, and I'm like all the way all the way into it, and I'm.
If you can hot dog it around town, that's fine.
Yeah, that's what I
On
do.
the freeway, just try to maintain
Yeah.
low RPM. Keep
Yeah,
it
you know, and the cars are now in this day and age, especially since COVID, and
Yeah.
the traffic, it was not that many people. Like
Yeah.
everybody's doing 70, 80,
Yeah, you can run
90.
over. Yeah, even 70. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, people doing 50 on the street. So
Yeah. Wow. That's the biggest thing, to keep the RPM low, and these things will last a long time.
yeah, because my
Most
buddy,
of-
he
most
wanted
of
me to
what
keep
we
it
do is
16.
Sorry, what was that?
I said that's my boy's trying to keep it at 16, but
You can
I
go
miss
bigger.
power. I miss power.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie. When I was younger, like the smallest thing I had was 1835, and I had a 16 that I thought was 1835 that actually ran better than 1835, but it didn't have brakes. So it was like, you know, those little things. But now,
The engine size isn't really always a problem. Like I said, the biggest thing is gear ratio.
Gear
You called
ratio.
it. I mean, you got a freeway flyer, but a lot of people call them freeway flyers. But what do you know, like you said, yours kind of hits a lot of RPM while you're on the freeway.
Yeah.
That means it's probably they usually like a 412 with a long fourth gear.
oh, that's
So-
what it is, long four.
Long fourth, but you know, you can step that up, go with a bigger ring and pinion,
Mm-hmm.
and then the RPM will come down a little bit more on the freeway.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
This one.
That's I believe that's a 2332 right there.
Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. She's done all the way. Big hill, scat head?
These ones, no, we're using, MP actually does our heads for us.
Oh, special order.
Yeah, they do. We have a certain way we like to do our heads, and MP's been doing them for a while. They've been doing a real good job for us.
Oh,
They do everything in-house now, MP. They get outside, the castings they're getting from outside, but they put the valves, the seats, and everything from inside their own, in their factory over in Anaheim, or Orange.
oh, okay.
Yeah, they do that there.
I'm gonna go with it. I said it's a lot of stuff because I have Volkswagen goals like I'm gonna do this, and I've really been doing is going to work and going home. I think the biggest thing I did even for my channel, like I could tell people like not watching as much because I don't get out with the community. I don't check out a lot of stuff. It's
That's
just
something
like
that I got to do a little bit more of, but
Yeah.
I've been busy. It's only Jerry, my wife, and me in here, so we've been kind of working with the doors closed for the last couple of years, trying to keep up with all this work. But I think I'd like to get back out and go to the shows.
Yeah.
You know, visit some of my friends and
Yeah,
customers,
see,
and
yeah.
we got race cars and things that we got to use. So we'd love to go out and do that. You know,
this is the one he was telling me about. I think this is the one he was telling me about.
well, that one's the race car, and then the street car's another right over here. The other one. This is the one we've had forever. We've had that probably 25 years, 24 years.
Oh my God, looked like it just freshly got built. It looked wow.
That's been painted for over 20. I mean, when I got it, it was just painted. So I'd say it was about 22 years, something like that.
Wow. Wow.
And this is one of the black ones that was a customer of ours for the longest time we were driving. It's pretty fast turbo bug, and then now it's ours. But
Was it 69, 70?
68.
68? Oh, okay, 68. Okay, I didn't see the transmission. That's the only way I could just figure out the yep.
Yeah, motor's out of it right now. That's just a mock-up transmission in there right now.
Just to see how everything's gonna fit
We're
up.
doing some different things, yeah.
This is amazing.
Eventually, we'll get back to this one too.
That beautiful bus over there. Oh my God, you got like it's like the dream, like the dream emporium right here, man. Look at this. Oh my God. I'm sorry. I'm like
that's
super
all right.
amazed right now. I'm super excited.
We're rebuilding the motor on the bus. The motor's over here for the bus inside here. We're gonna put it back together. He's had that bus for some years. A few more motors in here that we're doing. There's a Pro Charge motor we're doing that for the first time.
sheesh. Oh,
Yeah, haven't ran that yet. Something new.
oh my God, I bet this is gonna be amazing right here. This thing on Super Scoop probably what about 300-400 to the wheel,
Yeah, that's what we're aiming for, about 300-400. Yeah.
and that's not even. That's probably what like 6 pounds, 7 pounds.
Well, we haven't done the Pro Charger yet. We've done a lot of turbo stuff, and we do turbos we can make 300 to the ground at about 12 to 14 pounds of boost. You know,
Ooh.
depends, you know, what we're doing. And this one, we're hoping to get about the same thing.
Yes, I'm assuming. Because even with a low, even at, because you getting it directly. It's not no, you got to build up for it.
Yeah, it's going to be direct. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's gonna be.
This one's gonna be fun.
You might change. You might
close.
change the whole. You might change the industry with this. With everybody, because you know everybody likes to do the Subi swaps and stuff like that.
Yeah, the Super Swap is pretty cool. I mean, I've seen it, but I think the Super Swap looks a little bit better when it's done in like maybe a square back or a bus where it fits a little more. But in a bug, it's a little bit tighter.
Yeah, I hate when they cut it open for breathing and put for the radiator. It just
it's a little.
It just takes away from it.
Yeah.
I mean, I get the reliability. I respect the horsepower, but it's just like it's not the. Yeah, this right here.
A lot of guys will say it's cheaper to go Subaru. If you're doing it yourself, you probably can get some deals on some stuff, and it'll be cheaper. But you know, if you're going to pay somebody to do it, by the time you did it, and if it's done right, it's going to cost the same amount of money.
Yeah, it's still going to be expensive.
Yeah. To do it right, it takes a lot of detail to do a Subaru installed on a bug or something correctly.
Seriously. I
mean, I've seen some nice jobs.
Wow.
But this took quite a while too. So
this don't look like a overnight situation. This is like
we're still working out some of the details.
Man, to figure out everything. Oh my God, because you have to do all the plumbing and everything.
Yeah, we made everything, all the brackets,
all the fittings. Oh, the fittings are so freaking dope. Look at this.
Little by little, we're still working on a couple little things.
And it's like I know a lot about the stuff, but actually putting it, like knowing what to do and how to do it, you hear about all these combinations. I can hear about it, but like seeing it, I can I know what that is. Ooh, I know what that is, but like
being around them and just keep looking and keep looking, you get it.
Yeah. This is so nice.
So we all learn from somebody. You know what I mean? Nobody's the first at anything. We're always looking. We've always got our information. We've worked off of what somebody else has started. So, you know, it's cool. Without other people doing it, we wouldn't be able to get as far. You know, they've gotten us so far, and
you figure out things on your own, and then you might learn a new trick. That's the cool thing about it. And you know what? Like, what I love about the Volkswagens, that's what I built an old Mustang. I built a couple other cars, but the Volkswagen was just the quintessential, the coolest group of car people ever.
Everybody pretty much always started out with a Volkswagen and still have them. But I'm saying, you know, even guys that don't have them now, they had them when they were younger.
Yeah, that's always good. That's the conversation I always have when I'm talking.
Or when they had them when they were younger, maybe now they can spend a little more money and they get back into it again.
Yeah, they get to build it the way they always wanted to build it.
Wanted to, yeah.
That's me, because people thought, because I had these big rims on my cars, they thought when I built the Bug I was going to put, I'm like, no, I want to build it like I wanted to build it, but this narrow beam thing, this newer modern narrow beam thing, yes, I have to have that, and I have to have it lower, because I always, I had to have 15s. You know, it'll ruin it, at least with that, but I haven't.
Some guys go with big rims on the Bugs. I think the 17s look
pretty cool,
on square backs and gears and notches maybe.
Yeah.
But I don't know if 17s on the Bugs look as good. I don't know.
I saw one. It looked pretty good. He had the BRMs, but it was a little bit taller. I was like,
You have to do it right. I think, Yeah,
and I think mainly for that, I get the 17s only right now because of the tire issue, because I've been looking for 135s. You
get a lot more ground clearance with the 17s. You know.
Yeah, and then for me, I've been waiting. I ordered some 135s on Jegs. Yeah. I've been waiting for almost a year.
Back ordered on them?
Back ordered.
Yeah. So there's not many choices with the 15s and skinnies in the front.
Yeah. So it's hard. Yeah. I think the only one that a lot of people using now are like the 155R. But
that's kind of a little bit taller though.
A little taller, yeah.
So your car's kind of low for that, right?
Yeah. So that's why I was like,
135s are nice,
Yeah. That's why I'm just waiting for mine. I'm still waiting.
Yeah.
Because those are the ones I was ordering was just my backups, because I had a set of backups.
Nobody has 135s at all right now.
I'm in every shop I can think of, even online, and couldn't find them.
We used to sell a lot of tires back, but we used to have the doors open. We had 5-6 guys here working, but there's not a lot of people doing this stuff no more. So,
that's the only thing about it, and that's why I started the channel. I was like, I need people to know about this. Yeah. Then you start finding out there's people that actually do it. I'm like, now I'm learning and finding all these people.
Sporadic. There's people doing it still. There's quite a bit, but it's hard to hard to find people to work for you all the time. And you know, like a lot of the younger guys aren't really into
this. They're into they got into their cars and. Cars. I'd rather price wise, you can get into what they're spending on those cars, but I would rather turning your own wrenches at the beginning is like the best thing instead of just going to the laptop.
Yeah.
I swear, I don't know, probably because it was my experience when I was younger. So
that's yeah. A lot of my family and friends grew up turning wrenches.
Yeah.
You know, it's just different times nowadays.
Yeah.
People aren't really into it. They're always on the computer and stuff
Yeah.
like that. So.
Yeah, but this is this is amazing. I just gotta keep moving around, not get too excited, and not overfill.